Yeah, it was very wonderful. The answers that I was seeking, I think I've found them in this beautiful environment with beautiful guides and God's grace. Yeah, I think I've found what I was looking for.
What major shift did you see?
So for me, I've been associated with the CHPR for around like 1.5 year now. Yoga Ashray for around 6 months, Samruddhi for 1 month, and now retreat. So it's, I think, a sum of everything. So what has happened is whatever I was trying to achieve through all these programs, I feel like a sense of completion has come. That's what I realized at the Himalayan retreat.
The wholesomeness.
Yeah, the wholesome, like the problems that I was trying to fix, like you must be very aware of the challenges that I was facing. I just realized that in the activities that were given in Himalaya retreat, that I have completed those, like I have ticked those boxes. Like what I was trying to earlier, my mindset was to fix me, but I would say I have found myself rather than fix myself. Then nothing to be fixed, it was just to be unlearned, and I feel I have found myself.
Amazing. Would you recommend these services to others?
Yes, definitely. And if it was within my power, I would have forced everyone to do it. But since it's a democratic country, I would request and recommend you all to come, transform your life, and most importantly, find yourself.